Structures of protist. Characteristics of protist. Eukaryotes, unicellular. Three main groups of protists: protozoans, algae, fungus like. Number one is protozoans, animal-like protist. Protozoans or animal-like protist grouped by movement. Pseudopods, cilia, flagella, parasites, no movement. Protozoans characteristics: no cell wall, free living or parasitic consumers, habitat aquatic, ponds, lakes, oceans. Examples: amoeba, paramecium, dinoflagellates, and in the picture we have paramecium on microscope. Example 1, protozoans, amoebas. Amoebas, shapeless aquatic, these are amoebas. Pseudopods in amoebas. There is amoeba, the diagram of amoeba in which we have plasma shell and plasma membrane and plasma soul and pseudopod. Pseudopod is the food through which they move. How amoebas eat. Feeding structures, food vacuole, digestive enzymes, diffusion. Getting rid of waste, contracting vacuole, collect excess water from inside the cell and gets rid of it. Contractile vacuole, 2 nuclei after fission, cytoplasmic division to follow. Asexual reproduction, binary fission. Inflammation of the large intestine, diarrhea and vomiting caused by an amoeba. Example 2, protozoans, ciliates. Locomotion through cilia, paramecium. Freshwater ciliate, this is paramecium. These are its cilia through which its movement is showing. Feed on bacteria, food enters oral groove, moves to the food vacuole, anal pole, and is excreted out. And here we have paramecium reproduction. Asexual create identical organisms. Conjugation, sexual reproduction, the exchange of genetic information, not identical, adds diversity. Example number 3, protozoans, flagellates, locomotion, use flagella. Examples: trypanosoma causes African sleeping sickness, spread by tsetse fly. This is the tsetse fly. And example number 4, protozoans, sporozoans. Locomotion, parasitic, reproduction, spores. Plasmodium causes malaria, spread by mosquito. Quinine, drug used to treat malaria. This is the whole malaria process, malaria causing process caused by plasmodium. And its two hosts are mosquito and human. Verticella attaches to and spins its cilia to create a vertex, water movement. Stentor, it is stentor. Euglena, second group in protist, both plant-like and animal-like. Euglenoids contain chlorophyll, move by flagella. Euglena, unique, eye-spot, chloroplast, flagellum. R is constituent, flagellum, stigma, second flagellum, anterior invagination, and chloroplast, nucleolus, pyrenoid. Algae, plant-like protist, and photosynthetic, multicellular and unicellular, classified by pigments. Types of algae: red, brown, green plus. Examples: volvox, diatoms, pyrogyra. Float in water, diatoms. Number 1, diatoms float in water. Photosynthesis, unicellular, silica shells, commercial ULU, insulating materials, abrasives, chemics, filtering. And this is how they look like, diatoms. Dinoflagellate, number 2, move by 2 flagella, autotrophs, green glow and red tides. Okay. Okay, these were dinoflagellates. Green algae, most freshwater food source called, also known as food source called plankton, and some are free living colony filament. Free floating green algae and green algae pediastrum. Filament type exists as a thread colony. Label and draw. Eulothrix, Zygnema, Spirogyra, Hydrodiction, Peridinium, Chlamydomonas. Red and brown algae. All multicellular marine kelp, a form of brown algae, red algae, used as food. Here is the algae. Fungus protist. Slime molds. Plasmodium. Visible slime mass moves, no cell membrane, many nuclei grow and damp organic matter decompose, form a stalk, release spores, reproduce asexual reproduction making spores. Fungus like protist, classified by how they reproduce. Slime molds, mold and mildew, disease causing. And mildew and water molds. Fuzzy growths found on bathroom tiles, live off dead material. Potato famine. 2 million people died in Ireland, caused immigration to the United States. Tom Wall. Okay. Origins and importance of protist. Green algae. Importance of green algae. Oxygen source, food source, plankton, zooplankton, phytoplankton.